loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this prom makeup look, and I'm doing it because it's prom season. Girl, if I could have done my makeup like this on my prom day, maybe my pictures wouldn't have been so tragic. The eyebrows. The eyebrows. I don't want to ever talk about it again. I don't want to talk about it. I just bought this palette today. I am super behind on it. Nope. Don't jump. Good. The palette I'm referring to is the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. And I literally grabbed it. I don't have the budget for this right now. This is the palette we're going to be using today for our prom makeup look. And I already filmed this once and I hated the way it turned out. I literally deleted the footage. I like imported it and I looked at it and I was like, no. I already have my face done, obviously. If you want to see my foundation routine, I will link it down below. I just filmed my updated one. First shade we're going to be going in with is this one right here. And according to the back of the palette, that is Silk Cream. We're gonna be taking my Makeup Geek blending brush. Soft Dome brush is the exact name. So I'm going to be taking that color and putting this right in the crease and blending it up towards the brow bone. Honestly, I feel like this part took me the longest. Like this lighter color isn't very opaque. So building it up to be my transition color was a struggle. Oh my god, I forgot the most important part. Tape. You're supposed to do this before your foundation, but you know what? Homegirl don't care. Then I'm going to be going in with my Sigma Blending E25. We are going to be taking this shade right here. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Pukey. She would name a shade Pukey. And I'm going to be putting this in the crease, and we are going to be blending this up towards our blending, what? Transition shade? Holla! Honestly, this look is a lot of blending. In actuality, this eye alone took me 30 minutes. So I'm gonna cut this footage down to maybe like 9 minutes. Might be 14 like it usually is. And then yeah, so if that tells you anything, just keep blending. If you're not sure if it's blended, just keep going. Pretty happy with that. We're gonna go back in with our Makeup Geek Soft Dome brush and that transition color, and we're just gonna lightly blend this over what we just did. And then we're gonna go back in again. Now I'm pretty happy with that. We're gonna be taking the same brush but a different shade. We're gonna be going in with this one, which is Mocha. And we are going to be popping this just in the crease, okay? Just in the crease. Ooh. I'm gonna be dragging it down towards the tape. And just in the crease right there. And I'm also going to be kind of moving like a V kind of thing right here and filling in the natural whatever, this part, the outer corner. There we go, there's the word. Now I'm going to be going back in with Pukey shade and running that right over what we just did, just to make sure everything looks great. Now I'm going to be going in with this color, this dark brown, which is Central Park. So cute, wow. And putting this only in the outer corner. I'm not moving this in any further than about halfway. And I'm also going to be concentrating this like down here by the lash line. Hello? How are you today, Caleb? It's coming up, it's really exciting. It's a Caleb! What's up? What's up? I think we're done with the dark colors. Now it's time to cut the crease. Watch how bad my makeup's about to look. It's not terrible. You wanna know how to clean it up? I'm gonna tell you. It's a little secret. It's not a secret. You wanna take your foundation brush that you applied your foundation with today and run it over where you put the tape. Take your powder brush that you use in powder. Voila. Okay, to cut the crease, I'm gonna be using my NYX HD concealer. You can use any concealer, it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to be using this flat brush from, is this focused on me? This flat brush from Like My Self Tanner Mark. Yeah, me too. From BH Cosmetics. You're gonna pick up some concealer on this bad boy. I'm gonna just put the concealer like right here. And then this is a really good trick of the trade. You want to open your eyes and look up. And that just marked where you want to stop your carve. This is a really good trick if you have hooded eyes like I do. And your makeup doesn't get to show through. This just helps. This one's higher than the other eye, so my eyes are uneven. It's fine. I'm not upset. I'm fine. All right, and then you want to start, once you're running out of product, you're gonna kind of blend it. I don't know how to describe this part. Yeah, like that. Now we're going to be going in with this color right here, which is, where am I? Third row, Obsessed. I'm going to be using my Sigma eye shading brush, and this is the E55. And the good thing is we're applying this on a wet base, so it'll help the shadow show up even more. I'm not okay with how much higher this is than the other eye. Because I did the same trick on my other eye and it did not look that high. It's fine. Whatever. It's fine. I'm okay. I'm fine. Alright, then we're going to kind of mediate these two very gently. Ugh, that does not look good. It's okay. I'm going to be taking the Sigma well, I can never remember these names, E25. And I'm going to be going in with Pukey. And running that right in the middle of both of these. To marry them together. But not too much because then you'll lose your crease action. I'm gonna be going just a flat liner brush from Costco. I'm going to be just taking the, it's kind of black in the palette. It's called Abyss. I feel like it has a little bit of navy to it, but maybe that's just me. It's very subtle. It's like a navy black. It's definitely black though. I'm just gonna be dipping this in and lining where you put liner, you know? What is it called? The lash line? I can't with words today. All right, and then I'm gonna wipe off my brush on a paper towel, get all the excess pigment off, and then I'm gonna take it and smudge it even more. And this is just really gonna help intensify the smokiness of this look. I'm gonna be taking Mocha, which is that dark brown, and I'm just gonna be running this on my lower lash line. Like so. And then I'm gonna be taking, wait, that was not Mocha, I'm sorry. That was Central Park. Now we're gonna be taking Mocha and blending this. And then I'm gonna be taking my soft dome brush from Makeup Geek and Pukey and just running this even further underneath our lash line. And I'm gonna kind of blend this harsh line out just a bit. Just a little bit. These are the Kiss lashes, and this is the style Brassiere. Brassiere. I feel like it's some kind of fancy word. All I see is word brass. Sound it out. Brassiere. Is that it? Why do we gotta name things so complicated? Why? This is a style I'm using from Kiss. You can find them at the drugstore, and I will be right back. Now the lashes are on. I did apply a little bit of the Obsessed color in the inner corners. And now to finish off the face, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Ombre Blush in Strictly Chic. Oh my gosh, she's not using her Milani Luminoso. What? Yeah, I feel like it's getting a little outplayed. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And just, that was a lot. And just dusting that on our cheeks. Just a nice like corally color. What is that? I feel like it's only fitting to be using the Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. Is that what it's actually called? Champagne Pop. Okay, I was like, is it called just champagne? And I'm like out of it, but we're gonna use what I have. Yes. I forgot how much I love this highlighter. Just because I'm like out of it. And I have a backup one, but I don't know why I really don't want to open it. Is that weird? For lips, I'm going to switch it up. I just bought this today, but I already tried it on. The NYX Powder Puff Lippy, and this is in Best Buds. And it's just like really matte, and I love it. And it fills in all your gross lines. Not like your gross lines, but like my gross lines. It smells like the Sunbum Beach Wave Spray. Cool. Alright loves, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. You could obviously opt for something a little more nude if you're not into the pinky. But because it's like summer and this would photograph really well, I'm trying to get a little more bold with my lips. I'm always doing nudes and I'm really sick of it. I kind of want more of these formulas. Like, I love this formula. If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up so I know you digged it. Is that a word? Digged it? I dig it? I digged it? Does anyone know what I'm saying? And if you want more videos, please hit that subscribe button. I think my next one's definitely gonna be the No Mirror Makeup Challenge. I am so scared. I'm so scared. Alright loves, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!